Before we start the explanation of our project, let us hear a conversation between two people.
Hello, I have some medicines which are unconsumed after my medication course was completed. I have been cured completely and do not require them now. They are a waste for me, but I think they can be useful for someone else. But I don't know anyone who can utilize these medicines and prevent them from going into the trash.
I have a donation box in my society where people can put their unutilized medicine in it. But the problem with that is very few medicines are donated. Also, there is no check on the expiry date of the medicines, so often these medicines expire before they are consumed. Also, it's difficult to find genuine NGOs or individuals for the utilization of the unused medicines.
I see. So we do need to have a reliable and effective solution for this.
So here, we the students of KJSP Somaya Polytechnic are going to present a final year project online unused medicine donation system portal that we have made to prevent the wastage of unused medicines. Our project is about the collection of medicine which is unused by the patient who recovers completely and medicine becomes waste. That medicine can be collected and used further. The aim and objective of this medicine donation project are to prepare a portal for the collection of unused medicine for further utilization by a needy person. With the help of this website, donor can donate the unused medicine to NGO or some individual, and the NGOs can help needy people. Not only NGOs, but the people who are in need of some medicine which is too expensive and can't afford to buy can request for that medicine. So before we begin with the website, we need to know the importance of medicine and the project.
As we all know, health is a fundamental part of human being. Without it, we have nothing. Millions of people don't take the prescribed medication because it is too expensive for them to afford it. Not taking your medication often leads to worse outcome with respect to your health. This has started to become one of the world's most critical problems, but it doesn't have to be. That's the reason why we have initiated this project.
The medicines available at all the medical stores are frequently not affordable by all the people. This leads to patients not taking medicines which affects their health further. Our system can thus provide medicines to all such individuals.
So let's begin with the website. This is the home page of our website. It includes the following section. The About page tells us about our vision, why medicine is important, and join us to become a part of the impact.
Are the donations only limited to the NGOs?
No, the Request section tab allows the individual to request for the medicine which he is in need of. To request a medicine, he needs to fill out the form which includes his personal details and the required medicine details. After filling out this form, this request will be shown to the donator in the donator dashboard as View Requested Medicine tab. And if the donator has that medicine and is willing to donate it to the requester, they can donate, and the requester will get an email about the availability of the medicine.
If a person wants to donate the medicine to the individual or some NGO, how can he donate those medicines?
User module allows the donator to register, log in, and donate the unused medicines to the NGO or the individual person. When a person wants to donate a medicine, he or she firstly needs to log into the account by entering the registered email ID and password.
What if the donator is not registered?
If the donator is not registered, he or she can click on the link "Click here to register" and fill the sign up form by entering the necessary details. After successfully creating the account, the user can now log in. After login, the donator dashboard appears where the donator can see the following tabs: View requested medicine, view registered NGOs, donate medicine, my donations, and log out. View requested medicine section tab displays the details of the person who has requested for some medicine, and if the donator has that medicine and wants to donate it to that person, then the donator can click on the donate button and fill the necessary medicine details. And after submitting the form, the requester will receive an email regarding the availability of the requested medicine. The requester can hence collect the medicines from the donator. View Registered NGOs section displays the details of the registered NGOs. The donator can view these details and can donate the medicine to whomsoever NGO he is willing to donate. How to donate a medicine to a particular NGO, he needs to click on the Donate Medicine tab. After he clicks on that tab, he needs to fill the medicine details and some personal details like address for medicine collection, brand name, generic name, quantity, and the most important expiry date. After filling out and submitting the form, the particular NGO will get the details on their donation list. My donation tab shows the donated medicine details of that particular donator only, which is logged in.
How is the NGO registered?
The NGO module in this website serves as the receiving end for the donated medicines. The NGO who wish to be registered into the website need to contact the admin via email. So now let us see the procedure that has to be followed by an NGO to get registered. The following page thus contains the given procedure. First, the NGO needs to mail the admin at mail ID oumdsp@gmail.com. Then the mail body should contain the following details of NGO: name of the NGO, contact number, address, year of establishment, name of the authoritative members. Along with these above details, the NGO also needs to attach the registration certificate, financial certificates, and other audit statements. The admin verifies these details once it receives the email and registers the NGO into the website. Hereafter, the admin informs the newly registered NGO with login credentials. After receiving the login credentials, the NGO can now log in into the NGO dashboard. Now, inside the NGO dashboard, we can see the following tabs: Donations List, Assign Executive, and Logout. The donation list section displays a list of donations made to that particular NGO only, which is logged in. For collecting these donated medicines from the donator, the NGO has to assign an executive. Executive acts like an intermediate between the donator and the receiver. The receiver here is NGO. Thus, in the Assign Executive section, the NGO can see the list of all the details of executives which are added by the admin. After clicking on the Assign button, a form opens which has to be filled by the NGO itself by referring the details from the donation list and executive details section. It also has to provide the date and time for collection of medicines from the donator. Once the NGO fills all these details and submits the form, after this the assigned executive receives an email regarding all the details of collection of medicines from the donator. The executive can hence collect the medicines from the donator and supply it to the NGO. So here, as we can see, the assigned executive received an email which mentioned all the details of medicines for the collection and supply from donator to the NGO.
What role does admin play in this website?
So let us see the admin dashboard. By clicking on the admin tab on the home page, we enter the admin login page where the admin enters his or her credential to see the dashboard. After entering the credentials, we have to click on login to get logged in into the dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard. A website admin has a broad range of administrative privileges across the website, primarily managing the infrastructure of the site. The admin exercises total control over the website. As one can see, there are various tabs provided to the admin for the control and management of the website. So we start with the Add NGO tab. Using the Add NGO tab, the admin manages the registration of the NGOs after verifying their details, so there is a less probability of fraudulent NGOs getting registered with the website. So by clicking on this Add NGO tab, a form appears and the admin needs to fill this form with the details of the NGO. After filling this form, the admin needs to click on create account so that the NGO gets registered and the respective NGO name is visible to the donator. The admin mails the email ID and the password to the NGO so that the NGO can log in and view the donations it has received as seen in the NGO dashboard. So this was all about the Add NGO tab. Also, this website aims to provide employment opportunities too. So we have the executive acting as a link in between the donator and the NGO, where he or she collects the medicine from the donator and provides it to the NGO. The assignment of the executive is carried out by the NGO as shown in the NGO dashboard, but the registration is done over here by admin by filling out this form by clicking on the Add Executive tab. So after filling out this form and by clicking on Add Executive, the executive email ID gets registered with the website. Along with registering the NGO and executive with the website, the admin can view the donator and the NGO details who are the registered users of the website with all their details. This is the View Donator tab and this is the View NGO Details tab. The View Requested Medicine tab is same as in the user dashboard where needy individuals fill out the request form which is available on the homepage of the website. This is the form which is available on the homepage.
What if the donator has some queries?
For this, we have designed a frequently asked questions page which contains answers to all those doubts that generally any user or donator comes across. It gives you an idea regarding all the basic as well as unique features of our portal so that one can easily interact with it. The solutions provided over here not only helps you in donating medicines and understanding our website well, but also it describes more about our unique modules like request module and executive module which provide help to the poor and increases employment opportunities.
The users of this website can give their valuable feedback by clicking on feedback and filling this form with their complaints, grievances, suggestions, or appreciation about the website. In the end, we conclude that online platforms offer new ways to raise money online through integrated features that provide a more personalized experience to the contributors and the users. By creating an online portal system like this with dynamic and captivating content, you can easily target your donors' emotion and implore them to donate. We thank you for watching our video.